Think you know the wild? Prove it. Get ready for a rapid-fire nature challenge.
Which bird is famous for its mimicry? What do snakes use to smell their surroundings? Halfway there, nature gurus. Keep that brain buzzing. Is a panda a bear or a raccoon? What natural phenomenon causes ocean tides globally? Which stage follows the pupa in a butterfly's life cycle? Amazing effort. How many did you conquer? You're a true nature explorer. Comment your score below and follow for more wild quizzes.